This letter is called meme, and we read meme by using the dry part of both lips. Meme, meme. Come to the next, and this one is noon, and you read noon by touching your tongue to the gums of upper front teeth. Noon, noon. This is meme from the dry part of both lips, and this is noon by the gums of upper front teeth. Come here and let's find meme and noon. Yes, look here. You see here, this is meme, and here head of meme is written here. Meme. Come here, and yes, look here, noon is written here in fully form. Noon. Yes, this is also noon, and this is also noon. This is also meme. Yes, meme is written here, and head of meme is written here. Yes, this is also meme. These are all memes. And yes, come here, and yes, this is noon, which is written in fully form. Yes, this is noon, and this is also noon. This is noon, and head of noon is written here in noon fa sin. Noon is joined with fa, and this is also noon, which is joined with swad. Yes, this is noon, and yes, this is also noon, which is joined with jim. This is noon. And this is meme. The head of meme is written here. Look here. This is meme. Come and let's find meme and noon in Quran also. Look here. This is noon, and noon is written in fully form here. And look here. This is meme, which is joined with ta, and meme is written in fully form here. And come here. This is also meme, which is joined with alif and ba. So this is meme. Yes, this is meme. Look here. This is noon, which is joined with alif and lam. So this is noon. This one is noon. This is also noon here, which is joined with waw. So this is noon. Yes, and head of noon is written here. And this is also noon in annas. Yes. And this is also meme, which is written in fully form. This is also meme. Yes. And this is also meme.